Good morning children. This is our maths class. Today we will learn adding and subtracting of hundreds. We are starting from page number 41. Children, here some examples are given. So first we will start from examples. The first example is 100 plus 100. We have to add the hundreds here. So on both places 100 and 100. When we add 100 with 100, we get 200s. The answer is 200s. Or in another way, we can write this 100 in numbers also. 100 plus 100. The answer is 200. The second example is here 200s plus 500s. Here we have to add 200 with 500s. The answer will be 700s. In the same way, we can add these two. First we have 200, write it in numbers. Then we have to add 500, write it also in numbers 500, and now add these numbers 200 plus 500. The answer is 700. Now we have third example 900s plus 100. 900s plus 100. The answer is 1000s. Write in numbers 900 plus 100 is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Children, now we have an exercise which we have to complete. Question is fill in. Read these numbers with me and then we will fill the blanks. 200s plus 100. The answer will be 300s. Next is 400 plus 100 will be 500s. Next 600s plus 300s is 900s. 200s plus 200s is 400s. 400s plus 500s is 900s. 500s plus 300s is 800s. 700s plus 200s again it is 900s. 800s plus 100 is 900s. Children, on other side the numbers are given in, the hundreds are given in numbers. So you add these numbers. 100 plus 100 is 200s. Next 200 plus 200 is 400s. 300 plus 300 is 600s. 400 plus 100 is 500. 500 plus 200 is 700. 600 plus 200 is 800. 900 plus 100 is 1000 or we call it 1000. 700 plus 300 again it is 1000 or we call it 1000. Children, now you try this line yourself and later you will get the answers also. Children, here we have completed addition of hundreds. Now we will start subtraction of hundreds. Here some examples are given of subtracting 200s minus 100. The answer will be 100. And in the form of numbers, we get like this 200 minus 100. The answer is 100. Next example, 700s minus 500s we have to subtract 5 from 7 and we will get the answer 2. So 700s minus 500s is 200s. In the form of numbers, we will write like this: 700 minus 500 is equal to 200. These are the examples. Now come to the exercise. Question number 2. Again this is fill in the blanks. So you will fill with me. 400s minus 100. The answer is 300s. Next, 300s minus 200s. The answer is 100. Next, 500s minus 300s. The answer is 200s. Children, rest fill in the blanks are your homework and we will come to the other side. 400 minus 100. The answer is 300. 600 minus 200. The answer is 400. 600 minus 300. The answer is 300. 900 minus 600. Again the answer is 300. 500 minus 300. The answer is 200. 700 minus 200. The answer is 500. 800 minus 500. The answer is 300. And children, listen, this last column is your homework. Children, this is page number 42. The topic is simple addition. Here one example is given. Just see this example. We have to add 273 with 625. So first of all we will start adding from the right side. Means ones. First we will add ones with ones, then tens with tens, and then hundreds with hundreds. So start adding. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we have exercise. Add the numbers. Here we have 3-digit numbers which we have to add. So let's start with first sum. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. Here only 3. Now add 2 with 6. The answer is 8. Add 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. On the hundreds place only 8 is given. So answer is 8. Here first we will add ones place numbers. 0 plus 8. The answer is 8. Then the number which are given on tens place, we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Next, 1 plus 7 is 8. We have to add 3 with 0. The answer is 3. Here 1 plus 6 is 7. Come to the next line. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Right children? In the same way you will write properly. Ones on the ones place. When you add tens, then write on the tens place, and when you add hundreds, write on the hundred place. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 3, 7. Add 9 with 0, the answer is 9. Add 2 with 5, the answer is 7. Next sum, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Write in the alignment. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. Children, these sums of page 42 is your homework. Now come to page number 43. On this page, we have to do subtraction. One example is given. 3-digit numbers are there. 875 and we have to subtract 632 from 875. So again we will start from right side. Subtract 2 from 5. You can subtract easily. The answer is 3. Now we have to subtract 3 from 7. The answer is 4. Now we have to subtract the number given on the hundreds place. The number is down number is 6. We have to subtract 6 from 8. The answer is 2. So we can say when we subtract 632 from 875, we get 243. Children, now come to the exercise. The question is subtract. First we will start from ones place. Subtract 3 from 4. The answer is 1. On the tens place, 5 and 2 are given. We have to subtract 2 from 5. The answer is 3. Here only 3 is given on the hundreds place. So there is nothing to subtract from the 3. The answer is 3. Come to the next sum. Here subtract 4 from 9. The answer is 5. Next subtract 5 from 8. The answer is 3. Again nothing is here. So we will write 5 on the hundreds place. Next sum. Subtract 6 from 8. The answer is 2. Subtract 2 from 5. The answer is 3. When we subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. 5 from 6, 1. Subtract 0 from 9. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. The answer is 9. Subtract 2 from 4. The answer is 2. Next line. We have to subtract 2 from 4. The answer is 2. Subtract 1 from 2. The answer is 1. Subtract 2 from 4. Again the answer is 2. The answer is 212. Next sum. Subtract 0 from 8. The number is 8. Subtract 2 from 7. The answer is 5. Subtract 3 from 4. The answer is 1. Next sum. When we subtract same number from the same number, we get 0. Next, subtract 2 from 3, the answer is 1. Subtract 5 from 8, the answer is 3. Next sum, when we subtract 3 from 4, we get 1. Subtract 8 from 8, same numbers, 0. When we subtract 5 from 6, the answer is 1. Next sum, subtract 1 from 2, 1. Subtract 6 from 9, the answer is 3. Subtract same number from same number, the answer is 0. Children, again, rest of the sums of this page, page number 43, do as your homework. Children, please note it. Now you attempt all the sums in book only. I hope you all have book with you. Children, now we have next page, that is 44. Here story sums are given. So first of all, there is a need to read the question very properly. So let us read with me. A shop had 418 books. The shopkeeper got 251 new books. How many books does the shop have now? First, there is a need to understand the sum. To get total number of books shopkeeper has, you add 418 with 251. Let's make a sum and add. 418, we have to add 251 with it. So add these numbers. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. The answer is 669 books. You will write answer also in the next line like this, 669 books. Now come to the second question. Second question, let us read. Saif has 124 coins. Asha has 135 more. How many coins does Asha have? So first there is a need to understand it. Asha has 135 more coins than the coins with Saif. So total number of coins is the Asha have is equal to 124 plus 135. Let's add 124, 135. Add these numbers. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will write the answer 259 coins. Children, don't forget to write this answer. This is compulsory. Now come to the next story sum. Anju has 132 stamps and Rajat has 478. How many more stamps does Rajat have? Extra stamps that Rajat has will be found by subtracting the stamps of Anju from the stamps of Rajat has. Let us subtract. Question number 3. Here we have to subtract 478, 132. Subtract it 6, 4, 3. And here we will write the answer 346 stamps. Let us come to the fourth question. India scored 367 runs. England scored 156 less. How many runs did England score? So we will understand this question first. To find the score of England, there is a need to subtract the runs scored by England from the runs of India. Let's subtract. We have to write the subtraction sum 367, 156. I think children you know the subtraction now very well. 1, 1, 2. The answer is 211 runs which are scored by England. Question number 5. 563 boys and 435 girls are to sit on chairs. How many chairs are needed? Children, understand the question. To get the number of chairs needed for boys and girls, we will add the number of boys with the number of girls. Let's add. 563 and 435. 8, 9, 9. The answer is 998 chairs. Total number of chairs we needed 998. Now come to the next question. It took 356 days to build a house and 43 days to paint it. How many days did it take to finish the house? Add 356 days with 43 days to get the total number of days which are used to finish the work of house. Let's add 356 and 43 days. 993. The total number of days which are needed to finish the work of house 399 days. Now last question. Preeti sells cold drinks. She sold 342 on Sunday and 112 on Monday. How many less did she sell on Monday? To get the number of cold drinks sold on Monday, subtract the number of cold drinks sold on Monday from the number of cold drinks sold on Sunday. Let's subtract. 300 and 342. We have to subtract 112 from this number. 2 from 2, 0. 1 from 4, the answer is 3. Subtract 1 from 3, the answer is 2. So, the answer is 230 cold drinks. Thank you children for coming to class. I hope you enjoyed the class.